Hi guys, welcome to Product Empties video. In this video, I'm going to show you all the products that I've emptied out in the month of March. There are not a lot of products in this video because there was a lot of things going on in my personal upfront. So I did not put up makeup even once, and even for skincare, I was just doing a simple moisturizer and sunscreen. But I thought whatever it is, I would like to show it to you guys. And as usual, I'm going to let you guys know which ones I'm going to repurchase, which ones I'm not going to repurchase, and they're not worth it as usual. So yeah, without further delay, let's get started. So the first product that I'm going to show you is this cleansing balm from Salt Labs. So this was the first time that I was trying this cleansing balm, and it shook me. Actually, I really loved this, and I'm definitely going to repurchase. This is a 40-gram product, and it's a little bit on the pricier side. This is for 700 rupees, and I think on Amazon you can find it not below 580 or something. But the problem is this बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो गया था because 40 grams is nothing. I just finished it. I really loved it. It did not break me out. It removed all the waterproof mascara as well. So this is a very nice cleansing balm. I'll pop the ingredient list on the screen, and they do have very clean ingredients, and it did not cause me any comedons or breakouts. So this one is a repurchase for sure. I finished this L'Oreal Hyaluronic Moisture shampoo. You guys know this is my absolute ride or die. I have already repurchased one, and this one is a huge bottle. I think it's 800 ml quantity. Got it off from Amazon at a much cheaper rate. Definitely repurchase. Works beautiful for a chemically treated hair type. And similarly, uska hi same conditioner. Again, Hyaluronic Moisture conditioner. Also, this is like I keep repurchasing them because they just make my hair so soft and so smooth, especially the ends. So these two are staples. I've already repurchased them. And again, a body care product. This one is the Dove exfoliating body wash with triple hydration serum. Amazing body wash. This has that exfoliating bead. So if you're in a hurry and if I'm not able to use loofah, I just pop this a little bit, and then this emulsifies and gives that squeaky clean feeling as well. This one is also a huge bottle. This is 825 ml, and it's very inexpensive if you get this huge bottle. Plus all the Dove ranges, they smell so nice. Even this one has a very mild soothing fragrance, perfect for the winter season especially. But yeah, summer maybe आप use कर ही सकते हो. So this one is also a repurchase. Probably I'll be repurchasing some other variants. Come back to this. I keep trying out different variants from the same Dove washes. I've already repurchased one lavender variant right now, and it smells so yum. Then I have one Clinique Moisture Surge. इसका ढक्कन मेरे बेड के नीचे गिर गया, and you know bother to get that as well. So this one is a tiny 30-gram one. I keep repurchasing them like buy two get one may. So this is the only moisturizer that I've been using since 2 months. I've not applied any serum, and I've not been doing very nicely with my skincare as well. Day night पे मैं यही लगा रही हूँ, sunscreen लगा रही हूँ. So you know this is my holy grail. And even in this summer season, it's going to be a very nice water based gel moisturizer for oily skin type. So definite repurchase. I've already repurchased rather. Then I think I finished I was running out of like couple of sunscreens. I've been trying out two different sunscreens, and वो खत्म नहीं हुआ है, but these are the two sunscreens that I finished. This one is the Ultra Matte Sunscreen Gel, and it has SPF 60 PA triple plus. This one is very good for oily skin person because this has that silicone texture to it, and this will work very good for oily skin person or combination skin person during this summer season. I may repurchase, but I am like currently using the Deconstruct Gel sunscreen, and it's behaving so good, so I don't know. But this one also was very good, did not break me out at all. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want a review on Deconstruct new formulated sunscreen. I would love to do that. And this one is the SPF 50 Hyaluronic Sunscreen Aqua Gel. This one I was using in winter, and when I traveled to Meghalaya, this is the one that I carried. I probably wouldn't repurchase. Don't get me wrong; it's very good sunscreen, and it works very beautifully for winter season. But मेरे पास अभी एक और sunscreen है जो बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है, so probably I would be repurchasing that one, not this one. Then I have two Deo roll-ons. So this one is the Nivea Pearl and Beauty Deo roll-on 0% alcohol. You guys know this is my staple. Always repurchase this one. And this one is the Chemist at Play, and I don't know the variant. I think this one is woody variant. इसका पूरा print मिट गया है. This one has exfoliating ingredients into it. I'm not sure lactic acid है क्या है, पूरा चला गया है. Probably would repurchase क्योंकि जितने भी exfoliating body roll on hai. This one was the one which caused very less irritation to me, and also the smell in itself lasts pretty decent on me as compared to the other one, like plum ke bhi अच्छे last nahi karte. This one lasts quite good, so probably would be repurchasing any of the variants except the peach one. I don't like the peach one. But this lipstick is from GJ Bear, and I don't have any name apart from that, but I can tell you guys the shade. This is 04. इसको मैंने खत्म कर दिया है completely. You can see it's over. So GG Bear के products का यही अच्छा है. First of all, the packaging is so good. The formula is above mediocre. It's really good, and the quantity of them is less. This one is 3 gram. So either they vary from 2.5 gram to 3 gram. जो तुम टारगेट करके खत्म कर सकते हो rather than giving a 6 ml or 7 ml product जो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है खत्म करना. So this product was 3 gram, and as usual I wore this every day for my gym, like lightly dab it on the center and spread it out with the help of my finger, and it worked beautifully, and I finished it. So glad that I finished the lipstick. Then I have this Neutrogena hand cream. This one was my second purchase. I've already repurchased. जो पास में है वो तो दिखा ही सकती हूँ. So this one is the hand cream that I'm currently using. This one is the one that I finished. So yeah, so this one works very good for my eczema prone thumbs and fingers. I have a condition, so I'm allergic to gloves and etc. So मुझे ये बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है. I don't use it for my entire hand because this becomes slightly pricey. I think it's for 599 or something. तो मैं इसको concentrated area में use करती हूँ. If you guys are like extremely dry, eczema prone hands, then you should definitely try this one. It's a very good quality hand cream, again suggested by a dermatologist. Then I think I have one perfume. This one is from Thousand Wishes, and this one was the first ever luxury perfume. I wouldn't say luxury perfume. Bath and Body Works do not come under luxury brand, but this perfume cost me for 4,500 rupees at offer, and yeah, for me it stands at luxury. And I got this like over 3 years back or so, और मैंने अभी जाके खत्म किया. Initially I was disappointed because it did not last, but ये इतना time से macerate हो चुका था, so it gave me a very good longevity along with this one and the Bath and Body Works का same body mist. So I used to layer both of them, and it did give me a good longevity. Plus this is nostalgic for me because this is the first fragrance that I ever fell in love and felt comfortable. It kind of reminds me of my first love, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is an amazing fragrance. If you guys haven't tried out Thousand Wishes yet, I mean, go sniff and try it out. But would I repurchase the perfume? I wouldn't. I would definitely 1,000 times repurchase the body mist, but this one I wouldn't because I think it's 50 ml quantity. It's for 4,500. Doesn't outperform that much as compared to the other luxury perfumes. So wouldn't repurchase this one, but the fragrance, chef's kiss. Then I have one hair serum. This is the Tresemme Ultimate Gloss Hair Serum. This one I picked up at a like departmental store for like 250 rupees or so, and this like shook me and really surprised me because this one worked so nicely. There are very less serums in the market, and I've tried out so many that works for my hair type, chemically treated frizzy hair. But this one did, and it's so inexpensive. Would probably repurchase and recommend. If you guys have a oily scalp or a silky hair, this may weigh you down. Just keep that in mind. Oh yeah, I finished this Earth Rhythm lip mask. This is a lip balm from Earth Rhythm. Works very nicely. I got this one for free. Yeah, ये मेरे work bag में था, and I just finished it. It helped in moisturizing and repairing my chapped lips during winters, but wouldn't repurchase because there's so many lip balms I really want to try. So I don't think I would go out of the way and repurchase this one. Then I have this GG Bear Soft Leather Light Setting Powder. This is the pink powder compact. The packaging is 10 on 10. The formula is 10 on 10. It did not give me any flashback. I used to set my under eyes and wherever I've applied my concealer. Even today, I have this one. Unfortunately, I dropped this while I was traveling, and ये इसमें अभी पूरा चूरा चूरा हो गया. I cannot show you. इतना ही प्रोडक्ट बचा है, वो भी मैंने नीचे फ्लोर से स्क्रैप करके उसमें रखा था because I literally didn't have anything like set my face, so that's the reason I had kept it. Love this powder. If you guys are in a lookout for a pink powder, definitely check this one out. Sadly, I'm gonna throw this one out right now because it's just creating a mess. And yeah, would may repurchase this one once I run out of my current existing powders. I finished this creatine. Yes, I have started consuming creatine since 2 months right now. I've been very regular with that, and I've been seeing tremendous results as well. So this is the creatine monohydrate, unflavored. This is from the brand Well-Being Nutrition. This is what I consume every day, 3 gram per day. I've already repurchased one. Acha काफी inexpensive है. This one is just for 549 rupees. This one was recommended to me by my gastroenterologist, so definitely, like, I would 1,000 times repurchase. So with that, we are done with today's video. I know this is not the kind of usual product empties that I always show you guys. Yeah, I promise from the next time I'm going to be very regular with the videos and the uploading. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have any requests, any reviews that you want me to try. Would definitely try that one out and review it for you guys. I shall soon see you in the next video. Till then, bye.